In today's video, I will teach you how to remove objects from images quickly using AI. Let's get started. Sometimes a perfect photo just needs a little cleanup. Thanks to AI ease, you can now remove distracting objects from your images in seconds without needing Photoshop or technical skills. First, open your browser and head to AI ease Object Removal tool. On the web page, you'll see options to either upload your own image or use one of the free sample images available on the site. The supported formats include JPEG, JPG, PNG, BMP, and WebP. So click the upload button and select your image, and make sure your photo is clear and the object that you want to remove is easy to see. And once your image is uploaded, look at the left panel to choose your removal method. The first one is the auto method. Here, simply enter the name of the object that you want to remove in the search object box. Then click the remove button, and AI will automatically detect and erase it. This works great for commonly recognized items or well-lit distinct objects. If the auto method doesn't detect the object correctly, you can switch to the manual mode. Here, you'll have two tools for selection: the brush, where you can adjust the size and paint directly over the object for precise selection, and the rectangle, which you can click and drag to draw a box around the object. You can also resize and rotate this box using the corner handles. And you can use the eraser tool to clean up or refine your selection if needed. And once your area is marked, you can click remove and let the AI take care of the rest. And when you're happy with the result, simply click the download button to save the image directly to your computer. AI Ease's object removal tool makes it incredibly easy to clean up your photos, no advanced editing knowledge required. Whether you're preparing content for social media or simply fixing a vacation shot, this tool gives fast, clean, and satisfying results. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.